Bosch home appliances with Home Connect functions give you completely new ways to control your household. Like a fully automated coffee machine that makes your every wish come true with the tip of your fingers. A fridge that is now always in hand, featuring 2 integrated cameras. Like an oven that you can switch on easily while you're on the move. A washing machine that you can control conveniently just whenever and wherever you want. Or a dishwasher that recommends you the perfect rinsing program and reminds you to unload the dishes or refill rinse aid. We at Bosch think that a real smart home is not about the technology. It's about making your home a little more relaxing. The new Bosch home appliances with Home Connect. Simply connected.